Start. Then, sir, some attempt has been made to introduce certain elements in the present constitution within bracket amendment bill. But naturally, other details and further elucidations are out of the purview of the present bill. And therefore, a new bill will have to be brought forward to the extent that it is necessary for incorporating these provisions. In the meanwhile, I would assure the House that government have made arrangements and will take steps for having interim advisory bodies, etc. So far as well these areas are concerned, and then immediately in the next session, or if that were not possible, in the session after the next, an attempt would be made to place before this House a bill or bills for broadly carrying out the scheme, especially the administrative scheme, but I have explained to this House. There will, of course, be in addition to these bodies. So far as Delhi is concerned, or Delhi Development Authority, all these are necessary because Delhi is the capital and all attempts have to be made Delhi as model a city as possible. Para. Now, the next item with which this bill deals is what is known as the safeguards for linguistic minorities. Now, this would apply to all the states so far as this is concerned. There are two or three aspects to this question. One is that we are dealing only with linguistic minorities, not any other minorities at all. And we are generally following the line that has been laid down by the States Reorganization Commission. The States Reorganization Commission rightly pointed out that even after the reorganization of states, there would remain a large population speaking languages other than the territorial language of the particular state. Now, so far as these people are concerned, certain safeguards were considered essential. In the first place, we have to note that all the inhabitants in any part of India, a state or union territory, are the citizens of India. They have a common citizenship, and the rights of common citizenship will naturally be available in all respects so far as the linguistic minorities in different parts are concerned. Para. But it is essential that so far as possible the interests of the linguistic minorities should be safeguarded to the extent that it is necessary. The States Reorganization Commission have pointed out in this respect that after all, these linguistic minorities are the citizens of India.